Step back in time and explore the majestic Crusader Fortress in Akko, a testament to the city's rich medieval history. Built in the 12th century, this fortress served as a key stronghold during the Crusades, strategically located to control access to the Holy Land. The fortress is an architectural marvel, with its massive stone walls, grand halls, and impressive fortifications. The Knights Hospitaller played a crucial role here, gathering in the fortress's grand halls to plan their military campaigns and provide medical care. The Templars, another prominent order, were the last defenders of Akko when the Crusades were lost in 1291. Legend has it that they protected many secrets, including the elusive Holy Grail. As you walk through the fortress, you can imagine the bravery and dedication of these knights during those final, tumultuous days. Experience the legacy of the Crusades and the enduring spirit of Akko through this remarkable fortress.